In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock transactions in Zoho Books in 2025 to keep your financial data secure and intact. First, log into your Zoho Books dashboard, your central hub for managing all financial records. From here, navigate to the Accountant section in the main menu. This section houses all the tools you need for effective accounting management. Next, click on Transaction Locking. Here, you can select the specific transaction you want to secure. Once selected, click the Lock button. You'll then be prompted to choose a lock date and provide a reason for locking the transaction. This ensures proper record keeping and creates an audit trail. Finally, click Lock to secure your transaction. Your data is now protected from any unintended changes, giving you peace of mind and maintaining the integrity of your financial records. And that's it. Using transaction locking in Zoho Books helps you keep your accounting data safe and organized.